Time Life Music presents the greatest collection of Christmas songs ever assembled. Brought to you by the Sith Lord himself, Darth Vader.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Darth's Christmas Classics. 50 songs, 3 records, 2 long play cassettes, just $19.95.
Rockin' around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday.
That's not all. Darth's brought some old pals along to help ring in the holidays. The Treasury of Christmas, the perfect way to celebrate the joy of this holiday season.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright.
To order Darth's Christmas Classics, use your credit card and call 1-800-453-9700. Order now and you'll receive the Han Solo's Boot Scootin' Bandit collection at no additional charge, featuring the song from that shitty Star Wars Kinect game.